Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial video. Now, as you know, recently ChatGPT announced custom GPTs. Now, custom GPTs is a way that you can build your own custom ChatGPT apps. As you can see, you have Creative Writing Coach as an app, you have Game Time as an app, Tech Advisor as an app. So you can basically build apps within ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, if we go here to this section right here, this is the website from OpenAI, creating a GPT. As you can see, you will need to head over to this particular link, which is chat.openai.com/gpt/editor. Here, you will need, for this to access this, you will need to have ChatGPT 4. So make sure to purchase ChatGPT 4. And obviously, beforehand, you need to be logged in into ChatGPT 4. Now, from there, once you click that link, you will be able to land on this particular page. This will be your page. This is how it looks like, right? You will have a create section and then you will have configure section. So in the create section, you will be able to just go and enter what you want to enter and what you want to create. It depends on what you want to create, right? So as you can see, this can be configure. This is configure section here. This is basically just to configure your bot. You will need to name it. You will need to see whether or not this bot has any capabilities like DALL-E, for example, image generation. If your bot wants to have an image generation, or if you want your bot to have image generation, you will be able to click that. If you want your bot to be a code interpreter, or if you want your bot to basically generate code, you will need to go to the code interpreter as well as web browsing. I would highly advise you, if you want your bot to be advanced, then just go and click all of these actions or all of these capabilities. You can also add actions as well. You have multiple different actions you can add to that particular bot, but that's pretty much how you can get started with it. Obviously, as you can see from there, go to my GPTs. You can create a GPT that already exists or pick a GPT that already exists, as you can see from the list of their GPTs, or you can simply go and create your own GPT. Now, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. This is, for example, Tech Support Advisor, and then you will be able to just comment or reply with that particular GPT. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can use and create custom GPTs in a nutshell. If you want a more in-depth video, I can definitely create another one. However, if you want more ChatGPT videos, you can check out some of them on our channel. Thank you guys for watching.